Hey, seventh graders, it's Mrs. Poncelet. And as we are checking in today, I wanted to share a little bit with you about myself. During this week and in a lot of our writings, you are going to be talking about things that are really personal to you, about your identity and things like that. So I want to also share some things with you about me. So when I think about that mission statement, one of the things, the big words that, or sets of words that pops out to me is empowered learners. And that makes me think about myself as a learner now, but also what I was like as a learner throughout my school career. And so I went through and I found some pictures of myself as a learner. And let's see if I can do this. Yep, the first one, this is Mrs. Poncelet as a learner in third grade. So Mrs. Atwood was my teacher, and wow, I had some great bangs back then. I think at that point I didn't realize how much I really needed braces. But I was an eager learner in third grade. I really wanted to do well, but I didn't really know what I was good at yet. I really enjoyed math. And I enjoyed reading. And in third grade, I was hanging out with my friends a lot. That was really important to me. Then, as I got into middle school, I kind of floundered a little bit. This is when I was learning how to work a curling iron, and it wasn't going very well. And this was probably sixth or seventh grade. And at that time, I was really trying to figure out where I fit in. And so I joined a lot of sports. I was a volleyball player and a basketball player. I went to a small school, so I didn't have to be really good at those things to also be on the team. And I was also figuring out what my friendship groups were like. There was a big difference between elementary and junior high, and I switched friendship groups quite a bit. And then when I got into eighth grade, I had learned how to work the curling iron and could really feather my hair well. And this was the point too where I realized I kind of settled into some of my activities. And one of the things that empowered me a lot was being a musician. I was an okay singer. But one of the things that I discovered I was really good at was playing the saxophone. I was in band, and that was a place that I really thrived. So that empowered me a lot. And once I figured out that I found a lot of success in band, that kind of helped me figure out how to work my other classes well too. So that's just a little bit about me as I think about myself as an empowered learner and as I think about identity here at the beginning of the school year. So think about that for yourself too.